Prom season is officially here. You've got the outfit and the date, but is your smile ready for the cameras? Professional dental whitening can cost over $400. But don't worry, you can get a red carpet-ready smile at home for a fraction of the price. First up, the gold standard, Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects. This is for the planners. If you have about 3 weeks before the big night, this kit removes over 15 years of tough stains. The advanced seal technology means it stays put while you do your homework or scroll TikTok. It's a professional level transformation right from your bed. Running late? We've all been there. If prom is this weekend, you need the Crest 1-Hour Express. It's the ultimate emergency lifesaver. You'll see a noticeable difference in just 60 minutes. Apply them while you're picking out your jewelry or doing your nails for an instant, last-minute glow-up. Do you have sensitive teeth? You shouldn't have to choose between beauty and comfort. It's designed to give you a brighter smile with zero pain, so you can enjoy your prom dinner without any discomfort. To lock in those results, don't forget the perfect companion, Crest 3D White Brilliance Toothpaste. Using this daily polishes away new stains and keeps your smile glowing long after the dance is over. It's the secret weapon to maintaining that professional look. Your smile is your best accessory. Whether you're a planner or a procrastinator, there's an at-home kit for you. Want the full breakdown and the best deals? I've linked my complete prom prep guide in the description below. Go grab your kit and get ready to shine.